everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach my sister how to draw Smurfette. So first get your Sharpie to draw her nose first. About from here. And here. And here. And then match all of them. There. Then draw her nostril here. I think that's a bit down there. You could do a bit here. Because her nose is kind of in the middle. And then draw her eyeballs, because her eyeballs are close together. It's going to be like this. And then her other eye here. Like this. That's really good! And then draw a line here and a curve here for her eyelids. Draw her eyeballs here. Draw her eyelashes here. And then draw her other 3 eyelashes here. That's really nice. Okay, now for her mouth. Over here, a curve here. And curve like this. And then draw her tongue inside here. She looks really happy. I'm going to draw a little bit more smiley. Smiley. And then I'm going to colour in here, but not the tongue. Oh, yes. Let's fast. Let's go fast. Okay, now to draw her hair. From here. Her head like that. And then Okay, Jana. And then from here, draw her hair like this. Okay, Jana. And draw her hair like this. And draw this line like here. A curve here and a curve, and curve, and back up for her arm. And then draw a curve for her hat.
Mine looks so thin.
And draw her hair here. And draw the lines for her hair here. And then draw hair like this.
Mine looks so thin.
That's fine.
Mine looks so tall that I can't put the hat on.
That's fine, you can do a mini hat. To draw, oh yes, her dress. Go like this. Just gonna thicken up the eyeballs. Draw her dress here, this, and something again, this. And draw the spots here. And then draw her feet like this, two curves. And the shoes here. And the other shoe, like this, and this shoe. And then draw like this. And
Mine looks so
because she is. Like this for her hand. Now what do you want on her finger?
a flower.
A flower? Oh, and we just forgot on her hat. We forgot some flowers.
I can't fit a flower on her.
It's fine, you can do mini flowers.
I'll draw it on the side.
And now for me on my finger, I'm going to draw a bird. Well done, you finished sketching. Get your yellow and colour in her hair. colouring the spots on her dress. And the inside of the flower. Get your orange, your reddish orange. Okay, I'm colouring the legs and the tongue.
Colour.
Okay, here are your bananas. Okay, now with the blue, but not for our skin, for the bluebird. The bluebird's belly is yellow. Okay, now after, get your yellow and colour in the belly.
Okay, darker yellow.
Orange for the beak. And I just nearly forgot this dark blue for her skin colour. Well done, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!